Kumase Asante Kotoko NCC no Omu Piaro Sir Fred.
Is Kotoko Muni NCC
global supporters. Sir.
Kotoko supporters in I
can't mind global.
Until Omu Piaro ni Sir Fred.
I see.
It's a NCC DNS Oka Circus. I don't know. Your other groups will be out. But I say the Napin Kenim Diamono. Consolidates all the supporters. Abu Mayin Kubako.
Nti Sir Fred the dom nyina no.
Ebane Kasana.
Okay.
One of your Piaro. Chairman Fusuar and chairman and our president. Yebema Sir Fred Akwa.
Sir Fred Akwaba. Na I want to say.
Oh, I don't any home bro.
Edenya ase. Sir supporters no so maboabo am ho.
Top class.
Before yebekọ nyame adom akwasi ada game no so no. Ade ba ko pa say supporters leadership no. Yedi bom tri so pa supporters no mon stadium no. Dia na ko so mo ye den. What is the solution? Way forward need to say.
Okay, Rich, thank you very much. Mecha only etf4. Enemy Ayala is my half brother.
Okay.
And we have been like this for the past 15 years.
Any man anti-ache.
Papa. Ayala
okay.
Yeah, Junipe.
I see.
And
I'm Muzaya Kotoko for.
And yes, I Kotoko for.
Oh, Europe support the team, me
support Kotoko.
Oh, okay. I'm guys also a bass and income. For
me were heart kakrama omode.
Because of Ayala
kakrama Chelsea and so kakra.
Oh, okay.
But omunyina no men support support.
Support Kotoko no. To a question no.
Okay. Rich, thank you very much. Ayampa. On say o hwe ye season na about to 2000 late 2000s more any who say drop it. Now this is what I think in my honest view. Yeah, integration no correct. On say time ye susano the way and manner na ye papa mo de the Kotoko spirit way mu no. So late 2004 no mo bana. On say see ye hwe sa generation na on dey use full generation in the system 2000 but but sa time on so na foreign sports no I started say
dominating
na omo ananke say ye ananke wo sa time na nke say di e ma no eba park na komunya sa feel of Kotoko spirit ni bo mu no ya informa anko ti say ama foreign sports no e di omutirim mo enti say wo yi sa foreign no na yempo foreign nso ma avenues bebrebe because one video quality no obehwe player papa and obehwe game papa enti say influence ni na akom atrimu mo enti bako Baba Sports Stadium omo 40s 35 okono omo na doso omo yes 28 27 omo ma because they don't have the love for our local game. And yenya conscious effort be also say you be fine tune or margin towards our local game. That is one factor. Two. Okay. First, now omo free outside the city. Ebe hwe Kotoko matches no do so pa. But see Bechem United or Bo Bechem. First na nipa free Bechem ba pa. But this time around be a time Kotoko Bobo Bechem United Bobo.
And I
community system. And to almost also be person almost be rally for their local team. And to say nema factors in kitchen we nyina no affect it. But I'm not holding brief say yenti me mama. On say performance o check performance index and so any the quality of player obi ba park obehwe kran so e na enisro enti nipa ne ba baako mienu miensa now we mehu ade papa bia o pitch ne so a obon say a demotivating no.
Okay.
But ni nyina mu no it shouldn't be a reason because say odo ade a o sacrifice ma ade kro ye do Kotoko ye support too ye som because Kotoko ye otumfo ajapade ena otumfo ajapade bia no asanteman ena obi a o hye na se bia som enti sa love no na nka esi nyina nya se ane your team no Osha succession no from but because of the love and the heart we have for the team it's a sacrifice here and we are just trying to reorient our minds and fine-tune our mind. Supporters in mind say, the team belongs to us. They be our tune for or tenasi or Kotoko asemwa or semi Kotoko no. And you're more supporters there. I dare your audience on so the obo by.
Sure.
Oh my name go and say. So we are now started reintroducing and reorient their mind. Say yes, yen yina yen fa kuma baako and support your Kotoko. No matter who is in charge of Kotoko. I dare your yesom. And on say, oh share decision making process in the buha. On say Kotoko nkwa na etima. Say management be free. Supporters be dinner chiko.
Yeah.
Coach be free. Supporters be dinner chiko. Player and po be free or the supporters go.
Sure.
It shouldn't be that. Adeni odia. And sa product Kotokono. And I say you are doing in our coso more than individuals. Until we are just trying. To say, oh, sure, me advocate, me call baby. What I've been preaching is let's all unite together under the porcupine. Ni anshenase.
But as a friend, me come out the way actually. It seems sometimes decision taking, as in management, they take a decision. It affects the club, no?
Yes.
At my attendance crowd stadium, no? Because the said they now working. Ofili, ebia KMZ to pa. And some crop of players be on to so. Omuntin or the bar air stadium. So some for in who are bones are fake. A man stadium banana say ASIBE or kakra. Enti abasa I don't know first of all mpanimfo no decision bi ho no ma omobo mama ne em so de na na ka kire omo
me car from
e bi say ai KMZ to de
on say a management decision and we have to respect
some now we are part of the team.
Yes,
we are stakeholders.
Yes,
and the decision bi
to dey say there let's respect Zito or say respectively, me no ye adwuma, but me pese me resign. Me I want to use on one wedding no, or say at this moment me resign. Or in his own wisdom. Me nye say influence me by because na me man say in his own wisdom or so person or tenanche let him no cause. So be resign there, you don't have any cause to complain because or no and or tijenum and no who be a jane hyehyene and ti me there anka management na ka say wa pam na there. Then I have a case to say meet my kabi. But coach na aka say wa resign there. Or no so I resign. And I will say obia ampushi no. And subsequent interviews or say time or the resignation letter na kokra no. Na management say omo say omo besum
because of the
timing. But on one say ohwa ebeboa team ni kanko because of a legend.
Me busa sa because mo supporters EBC na club na da bia ni apam coach na we nkona da bia as a club ni akua ni ma na mo twesan enti at a point kra no coach ko training ese ma na nye training ti na me busa za no
enti na me so make Zito there na me address it because ono your one personal decision and ono na ye the top and we are taking decision this is the direction I want to go decide we have to respect it
enti nyame aduma game no e ba so kwasiada eyenwumre
a big game
minim say sa bread there say we are na sometimes na we are this time say excuse me dem say ya killing no
yes
the way for this arrangement is saying from supporters in Penifo no kwan be na mo boabo supporters na no na nyame adom be baba stadium no na why ma say ni bi saying
this time around we are doing things differently I want say council no buy no supporters council yes sorry in December and they started say ye adwuma and until January, February, and you taking full control. Now, you will say the tertiary aspect of the game. No? I say, we want to employ the cardam jump procedure. And so on social and senior crowd.
Exercise book be
cranking be. Remember, your matches too. You need Diana and Crano, and the game before Diana, I go home no mobile. Until started even from the primary JHS. Mini or team in Tiankra on the in charge of PT, Pokemon tertiary no, for the council on the until almost all the tertiary schools in Greater Kumasi will be represented. Mampong, Mamtek, Fonsubeba. Until arrangements for them. Ye domunina bebe so munina ba and new registration and that stuff may start from Nkremu. enti tertiary phone nyina beba enketenkete ka dem young phone nyina ye do mo ba ana chairman of Osuware Solomon and so make it available 5 buses ayalolo de ne bi no I be see advantage position
okay
be community support bia or person over stadium no or den beba strategy ba ko yi so and we are just appealing to the supporters because no bia na se be obetima call bus no but baby out bia we have to come because the team needs us. We are always the number 12 man. I say football there. Never be brebe room. Enti na me me person ye PR ma did na me accept no.
Manfred.
Okay. Because ye PR na no ye. Or say did he say coaches any influence in a game. So I say more kind no. But oh, Rich, we need everybody.
Okay.
Football, even support base in Sokra accounted. Because also yeah, Susana ni Babayaran. The beer park need to me my broso. The big na fried light so who a chain now share say obi betia share no no so yam sise
we ha me apon
me na me catch obe tan kwa kopim se bepon fried light tintin no obe tinama ko tinam esuro
ebi kura be da stadium
me na me catch oh until sa era no the person say visit until we are using Sunday as a case study until implementation na enema ohun ni nyina in the media landscape enye fluke we have planned it because I was part of the planning committee many safudu ko ni mpenifo I'm part of it ya said that and this is the new direction ya pese yako until we are doing so many things to bring back the love enye JFD ni bi but we are Kotoko there we want our supporters to cherish say this is what we belong and we belong to the emblem our Kotoko emblem the book of Kumapem Beba spirit you know yes I the vibe see stress yemra because other than that we don't have any excuse because you better if you never near chastise players next chastise coaches next chastise management but why your responsibility you jeopardy no tifie and I will be it doesn't make sense and just say nyina you can boom near support your team no to victory so that's what you are doing
okay Zemreno I have a question back bi ana
oh mini question bia dem
last say bia mpesa me ba mpesa mu bia sana
asem pe
utwa bia to so
asem ba ko pe na me wo ka kire se Fred
okay
a message da makoma so na waba fia hai na mbese me de mano na ode ekoma Kotoko supporters leadership no titru chairman of Osuware ene Asante Region NCC chairman Alex Menu.
Okay.
The ambassador or Kokachomo on my behalf and said, "Unso on namia or machi publicity. The oye is to be positive about Kotoko. Na obiti echira ayena kono. Na wakase oh mekwa kwa akoshebo wibi. Se the oye ni nyina no. Se Chairman Alex Menumo and so our other media space none the concentration our say coach Prince Ousu and na onyade and na ontimi nya adwuma no and na egiri se ni mu ha and as Zito kwa woni ne nkwa boni beka say e counterproductive
mumu ye ni no so say no
so was coach now be coach Kotoko Sunday no onyade dia and me support memra na coach me gu mani ma ase anasa dey
mo so sebi munye nipa bi akeke
exactly
mo carry weight
mo na mo da supporters na so nti say e drew sa time say ya send us oba ya o say ni message a unity to support no and ka message ni e ba ko a e boa
sure
obi e ka sem ba ko na amade na yakono na obi e di ekire tibisire no we do ono omu ne nam
on sanjiro
ono omu nkasa se ye poma chew emmo mu nye anything be counterproductive to the publicity na ankofo bebre yen see am ti anam de video bi kire poba ayi Asafa Powers kilentia e wo training gansa on the place no mu twa content me hu safo vigilante enso so Nana Mac Brown ye nyina de bia so ya na ye promo ma game se na be ya akono on Sunday nti obia o hu bia no a message ni should go yenya aligned na message ni nya ba ko na enkofo nti mimra untimi nka je me say enura na bant ma hene mu ne empanyimfo including even the chief of staff of Nhyira eko adekoja achi enura yi omo team here omo so try to encourage team no any other na who your supporter leader now all the old to China want to Bobo Park. So yes, I am one. Okay. So fair the message na mo mama me.
James I fed the who reason China we busano about decision making. Exactly. It seems as a we
you have to be aligned. That is a decision for management. You have to support.
Rich me a PR person. And you see I go me that mate me the message in beko.
Sure.
But ye nyina besre. And it's very, very important because this time, I want to say a house are divided and standing.
Sure.
And Kotoko, we need peace to progress. And baby, asumdwe will be an punto. Of course. Until we have to unite ourselves, look towards positive direction and work towards our goal. May say, Okom Military Academia, they be almost one step ahead. Test you on. Military range or much one step ahead. I believe I could anymore. My IT is
of course.
I do my things like a military person. Though say man could be, but my orientation that is
okay.
And in unity, also soldier for nipa back on until Oman kwa nipa 3 because you say unkwa ko nama obi betimi attack but me 2 munam 3 mu bond no so. And no one can penetrate.
Okay.
And we have to put ourselves together as a unit and present
ourselves.
Oh, ha said there, your friend ASIBE no.
ASIBE dey so bia boro.
Enya buo keke obi aye no bibi opebi. Oya fama boa. Enya buro na manfo bu no. Oya fama boa. Ba no ma. Oh, has
na be omu ba Kumasi so.
From 2023 downwards. Once I had class of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ebisi, me so ASIBE
top 4.
Top 4 na there. Top 4 a lot of factors came into play.
No.
Top 4 factors.
Some factors now no.
Oh no, there pre-season. Also share. Satam nani akọ
South Africa
na ba. And on be rested for 1 week. And on started some year endurance. And as all year pre-season me coaching certificate kakra bi ntimi coaching adwuma kakra. Also year pre-season obe started etutu meka na be endurance. And the Kotoko started is some endurance na yini ba no. Ti satam no mo body no. Football is science.
Okay.
Satam no mo body na harden.
It in a nutshell no more show.
Oh yes, so mommy ASIBE ye be bu omo sa. Etina Sunday. Ye was a cry on draw no cry don't maso. Ye be show mo because ye ASIBE for no.
Ati.
The bo mo papa.
I don't say Sir Fred, I don't say ne most sama mo de abre Koto support ti. Sunday there excuse me
we the Kotoko support say we are singing na mokasa mafo na obekasa na oto nsa afem mu nyina mu nyintum na yesi Asante odom na muntai Kotoko echi mo panyina asema okanyina ko fitela no so wasa
kofi kakra bi na mema mo amra na
asem na brand no konti
o betime twanity na ana Saturday so betime aba
Saturday o china
hwɛ me grandson asani ɔkyena bɛtumi aba
of course
ɔkyena brane na ɛnyɛ so
me ba na me ba ɔkyena me ba
ɔkyena brane na
ɛnyɛ so ɔkyena tam adi nkomo ni
me person be so as when was the last time you attended a party
nche bia sa de
once a party at the pa Kotoko from be say Sunday we party
okay
me party come pa and when was the last time I hear Kotoko ni as Falaaa light
acho em say we tapia na so mbo ya
democracy cup
em say we no na de bia bo ne wia
eno ya mbo na
eno kwesa abo no aka president cup no
kwesi ada Val's Day no Kotoko vozo mutu ashe kwesi ada
I see
almost say Omo pese hoye de pa. Hoye de pa nti nyame bo a Sunday there 5 o'clock will be Ambra Stadium. Na ye nyina supporter there, your duty is to support.
Sure,
of course.
Whether the team is doing well or not, uni share than to support. So nti nyame bo a Sunday, me say and ball we share the TV so. Now hear the live a difference bebre
and they be
say what in common
Especially Kotoko ne house. And change no
so na de no ni Kotoko ne house nye game na na go
change no
teams ni me no ba we se me fa
na ba si mu
e bi o kra ba se be twa na player ba ko
kan wo so be warm up
the euphoria
na money yet no
and I was stadium crown home man so
supporters be judge nye
we hu ni ba lu bi na we vi
and as I post Val's Day, we are not just saying it's in Yamebo Sunday. And almost say, oh, bar party, no, or more dress code. Almost say, wait, so
I talk to and now so
and I'm because all red and all white and answer red and white. Yamebo Sunday,
Mumbra. Ma, you need come kakra, you need amwa automobile.